Welcome to the future of AI, this brain interface revolutionizing how we process information. Watch as it learns and adapts in real time. In 2026, AI is creating massive business opportunities. And beginners are winning big. AI is no longer just for big companies like OpenAI or Google. You can start today with zero coding skills. Idea number 1, AI content creation agency. Charge monthly packages and build recurring income. Idea number 2, AI thumbnail and design service. Businesses always need eye-catching visuals. Good design increases clicks instantly. Idea number 3, AI chatbot setup service. Automate replies for websites and WhatsApp. Business save time, you earn money. Idea number 4, AI YouTube automation. Create faceless videos using AI voiceovers. Monetize through ads, affiliates, and sponsorships. Idea number 5, AI resume and LinkedIn optimization. Help job seekers stand out in competitive markets. Small service, high demand. Start today. AI opportunity of 2026 won't wait.